Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add money to your Monese account using your mobile phone step by step. So let's get started. First, launch the Monese app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in. Once you are on the main dashboard, tap on the Add Money button or icon. Now, you will see a list of options to add money. Select your preferred method: bank transfer, debit card, cash deposit if available in your region. For this example, let's select bank transfer. Tap on bank transfer. Enter the amount you wish to add. Confirm your details. Double check the amount and your bank information. Then tap continue to proceed. You may need to authenticate the transaction using a bank's verification method like an OTP or fingerprint. Wait for a few moments for the transaction to process. You will receive a notification once the funds have been successfully added to your Monese account. And that's it. You have successfully added money to your Monese account using your mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Financify for more financial guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.